Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2017 Chevy Silverado. Red Hot is the color here. Stock number 2A200222. That's 3 2s. This is just going through our service department here. We just got it as a lease return here. So let's check this out. You've got the nice LED daytime running lamps here, fog lamps as well, and super good condition this truck is in here. Again, it's just going through our pre-delivery inspection here as we speak, so you're seeing it in the raw, but this truck has been very well maintained here. Super clean. It's gonna be even cleaner obviously once we get the detail done. It does have the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. You can connect 7 devices within 50 feet. Non-smoking interior here. This does have the remote start, dual zone climate control, as well as OnStar. Fun fact, if you didn't already know this, you can remote start with your smartphone if you have your OnStar activated from the My Chevrolet app with these. There you can see the back seats as well. Overall, this truck is going to clean up very nice, very nice. It does have the 2-speed transfer case, 4-wheel drive auto, 4 high, 4 low as well here. Corner steps, this is the LT tow package, of course. Nice easy down tailgate. Doesn't look like the box has been used very much at all, which is nice. And 4 and 7 pin wiring. And of course, this is the double cab with the standard box. Power adjustable driver's seat here. There's your auto 4-wheel drive built right in. Bluetooth, of course, as well. Only 32,000 miles on this bad boy, so low miles. Ready to go. Practically a brand new truck for a used price. So if you want to check this out, do so soon. Give us a call, 218-829-3504. You can also visit us worldwide at millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.